Hi everyone, we'll be looking at the Sumproduct function. The Sumproduct function is an Excel function that allows you to multiply ranges of cells and arrays and returns the product sum. First thing it does is to multiply the supplied array values before adding them up. So let me give you an example before we look at the sum products. Here we have this table that contains our item, cost per unit, and the quantity. Okay, so this is how it works. First of all, it multiplies before adding up to give you the total sales, which is what we want. So let's multiply this first. All right. So this gives us 29.25. So let's fill this. All right. So let's sum this up. So which is going to be equals to sum. Then you highlight on this, close the bracket, then enter, and here we have it 78.97. Okay. So this how it works. It multiplies before it adds up. But instead of us doing all this process, we can actually just simply do it this way, which is equals to sum product. So the sum product function saves us all the stress, whereby we can just alight on the arrays. So this is the first array, comma, then the second array, then we close the brackets, then enter. And here we have it. 78.97, which is the same with what we also have here as 78.97. So that is that about the sum product function. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.